Quick announcement here regarding mortgages and renewal rates or purchasing properties. Tiff Macklem, was in Calgary at the end of March and basically made the announcement that the central bank has a new policy that's being put in place and that they are now going to be reactive instead of proactive and try to guide inflation by controlling the interest rates as they have done in the past. So what they're going to do now is wait until the data comes in, and they are going to take reactive measures and judge accordingly from that. They will absolutely not tolerate higher inflation, which is something that we experienced a couple of years ago. And what this means is if the economy tanks, they won't be proactive to cut rates unless the CPI data tanks along with it, which CPI data is the Consumer Price Index. So if the CPI leads higher, then they will actually raise interest rates. And this is actually something that we could see happening in towards the end of 2025, depending how all of this plays out. I know that they've commented on the tariffs now. We don't seem to have that as a threat. However, we do have to concern ourselves with what is going on in the economy and inflation, because they are being reactionary to it now as opposed to being proactive and trying to stick handle our economy into a more realistic perspective. So if you have a renewal coming up, I would highly recommend that you go in and get a rate hold for 120 days. That way, in case the rates bump up, you're at least covered. And then obviously if they go down, you're covered as well. So I hope these little tips help. Lots of stuff happening in the economy right now. Lots of properties on the market right now. Frank and I actually have 9 listings, and 3 of them are power of sale. Most unfortunate. There are deals out there. There are certain things still that are slightly too high. Market is correcting itself as we are seeing play out in real time. So I would get out there, be aggressive, look, ask, and secure those rates. Ciao for now. Peace out. Love y'all. Bye.